go. Hopefully add a little light to the subject. There we go. Throw in the breaker for... Oh, we have a light. We have a light. Okay. And let's plug in our phone and see if this works. We have another light. This is good. And confirmation of power. We have green. And it's 12 volt. And nothing smoking. This is good. Alright, now for the next go around, let's try turning on the multifunction display. Okay, we have an orange light. And I think we have an orange light here. Let's try this. I see green. Life. We have life. Signs of life. All right. I think our next step is to see if the radar comes on. Okay, we have an orange light. Woohoo! Oh yeah. All right. Languages. Yeah, we definitely want English. Fishing. Select main productivity. Sailing. God. All right. While I go through the setup menu, I'm going to spare you all that. Okay, I'm gushing right now because we have radar. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da. I still need to figure out how to download the charts and activate navionics, but at least I got the radar and the MFD to talk to each other. And so we'll post again as soon as we figure this. So that pretty much concludes the work on the radar project. You'll notice one small clip in there where a neighbor of ours was trying to get out at low tide, got stuck on the bar, and ended up being pulled off by one of the row team boats. So I thought I'd include that. That was pretty comical. We have the navionics downloaded and operable, and the radar is fully operable and really cool. Tracks moving targets and gives it a green or red light depending on whether it's coming or going. So all this is good. Next video we'll be putting out, we'll hopefully be working on batteries. We're looking into possibly going with lithium ion, the pros, the cons, and what we actually have to change to make that happen. So we'll update you further when the time comes.